Good evening to all. Today's topic is especially emphasized on the program. It has been designed for both 9th and 10th, where we are going to discuss prime number, which is already we did discuss in the previous live class. With the help of this prime number, how we can design twisted prime, pearl prime and twin prime. After understanding Armstrong number, how we can design the Disarium number. This is the basic methodology or the mechanism we can say for today's class that we are going to apply. So let's begin with the first one. First one is your twisted prime, which is also known as your MR prime. So what exactly this is and how we can deal with this. It says that if the original number that is entered by the user, the number entered by the user is called original number, and the reverse number, suppose the user has entered 123, the reverse of this number is 321. This is called reverse of the number. Both are prime. That means I have to check whether this is prime or not and this is prime or not. Then it is called twisted prime. For 9th class, it is enough that we should check whether the original number is prime number or not and the reverse number is prime number or not. If both are prime, then it is called twisted prime. But for 10th class, you should display the message that it is not twisted prime because the original number is not prime. It is not twisted number because original number is prime but reverse number is not prime. It is not a twisted prime because the original number and reverse number both are not prime. If you give a message like this with the help of your if condition, which is taught to you in the 9th class, then it is most vital and most important to get good marks. Let's see. Suppose user has entered a number called 13. The reverse number is 31. Here 13 is a prime number and 31 is also a prime number. If both are prime number, then it is called a twisted prime number. Let's see one more example. Original number is 43 and the reverse number is 34. Look at over here. 43 is a prime number. Look at this unit digit is 3. So it is not having any other factor other than 1 and 43. And here we have the reverse is called 34. Unit digit is 4. That means it is divisible by 2. So it is not a prime number. Sorry, it is not a prime number because of which it is not a twisted prime number. I have given an example. So your message should be original number is prime number. Reverse number is not a prime number. Hence, it is not a twisted prime number. Like this, your message and output should come for 10th class. For 9th class, it is not that much of important at this moment to do like this. Okay. Next example, original number is 14. It is not a prime number. For 10th class, directly they can say it is not a twisted prime because original number is not a prime number. For 10th class, because we have to write the smart coding. Because original number is not a prime number, then I don't need to reverse it. And I don't need to check whether it is prime or not. But for 9th class, it is, you have to check original number is prime or not and the reverse number is prime or not. So the program is same, but writing style must be different for 9th class and 10th class. So let's see that whether we can able to do it in our program or not. The most vital is that we have to recall what is prime number. The most important is that we should know what is prime number first of all. That is most vital. After that, next is how to design this program. What are the steps for this particular program? These are most vital things for our program. For 10th class, step is most vital. So let's see how we can do this. This is our Java screen where we'll do the coding. So according to the question, I have to accept a number using scanner class. That's why java.util.star. And we know that class Here I have taken Paris programming. Your program must be twisted prime. Then public static void main, inside which I will declare a scanner class object. Scanner ss is equal to new scanner, within which system dot in. Few 8th class student was asking that can we write before and after this. Look at this. We can write, no problem in this side. Look at this, no error in this side. But if I remove this, then it will generate an error over here. But if I'm giving an object left hand side or right hand side, there is no problem with this. System dot out dot print. I will give a message, enter a number. Then int num is equals to ss dot next int to accept a number. Accept part is over. After that, the most vital part begins, that what should I do for 9th class? I will check original number is prime number or not, and then I will get the reverse. I will check whether it is prime or not. But for 9th class, you will get the reverse first of all. Look at this. How to get a reverse, you know. int rev is equals to 0 initially, but though I want to get the reverse of this number, the number will become 0. So I need to take a backup of it. So I'm saying ori is equal to num to store a backup of the number. After that, we know how to get the reverse of a number. I will say while number is greater than 0, inside which what I'm going to do, who can say, because you have to think how to write in the examination. So you think what I should do now. Number is greater than 0. After that. Yes, good evening to all. Because 9th class is having exam. So they said that they need a recap on number system. So this class is designed for them. So I will write the code according to the requirement of the 9th class. So I will get the reverse of it. How to do this? I will say rev reverse is equal to reverse into what exactly I should do. Suppose the number is 123. I need to take this 3 to which position? To first of all to 10th position, then to 100th position. So what I need to do? I need to multiply 3 with 10 so that next time it will become 30. Now in order to take it to the 100th position, again I will multiply with 10. So it will become 300. So now it will be in a 100th position. So because of that reason, I need to multiply reverse into 10 plus which one I have to move? I have to move the digit because as I said 123, 3 has to move. So that means I need to get the digit. int d is equals to num modulo 10, which will give me the digit. Now that digit I have to shift. So that's why plus d. This is the formula that we are going to get the reverse. After that, I have to reduce the number. Next time number should be 12 so that I will move 2. Next time it should be 1 so that I will move 1. So because of that reason, I will reduce the number. So in order to reduce the number, I will say no is equal to no by 10. This will give me the reverse of the given number. So here instead of no, it should be num. Now let's see whether we are getting the reverse or not. System.out.print reverse of original number is lies with ori, and then within quotes equals to the number reverse number is lies with rev. So let's check whether we are getting or not. Suppose I have given 125, reverse of 125 is 521. So here we got the desired output. Now after getting the reverse, as per the question, it says that original must be prime number and reverse must be prime number. Then only it is called a twisted prime. So in that case, I will take 2 flags. So before that, What you need? Yes, good, excellent. REV is equal to REV into 10 plus D. Good. May I know your name? SK, legendary. Your original name? And Swastik, good job. Sai Subankar and modulo 10. Yes, we have an extra digit by good. Extract the digit. Ishan, good job. Okay. So what you want? Flag base, counter base. Sahil Kaushik, I think. Sahil from DePaul. Okay, 9th Sahil from DePaul. Good. Yes, quickly give your information that whether you want flag based. Okay, so INT. I need to take two flag. Original flag is equal to -1. Reverse flag is equal to -1. Okay, now after setting this flag, I will check whether it is prime number or not. Now your job is to tell me the logic for the prime number. Quickly tell me the prime number step. Prime number step, quickly. What I need first of all, after setting the flag, what should I do? Yes, flag based. Got it. We have started with the flag based. Yeah, we have started with the flag base. Now I just want to get an information from you. What you want? What is the next step? What is the next steps that I should use? Harshit Patro counter based. Okay, I will do both one. So for loop I need. Okay, we'll type for loop. If I'm taking flag based, yes, already given by Sai Subankar that we need to take initial value as 2. INT C is equal to 2. Why? Because we know every number is divisible by 1 and itself. So I will deal with which one? 2. Then C is less than NUM. Now, is there any problem if I am going to take NUM over here? Got my question? These are the common mistake done by the students in an examination. I cannot take ORI Swastik over here. I cannot take ORI Ayushman over here. I cannot take OR. Before that, 10th class, that is the problem that you are doing, generating. Here I need to take the backup again of the number, that is NUM is equal to ORI, and I will use num now. After that I can use num. Is it clear? But if I will take OR also, there is no problem. Why? Because I am not reducing the number now. No more the number is reduced or deleted or twisted. So because of that reason, here we don't need to take any backup, and here it can be ORI and cannot be num. 9th class understood? But we cannot take num because num is 0 over here. Num is 0 after this. So this is not required, and this should be ORI because I am not modifying the ORI inside this. After that, C++, inside which I will check if which one is divisible by which one. I should check which one is divisible by which one. As per the prime number, which one has to be divisible by which one? Yes, excellent Ayushman. It is not OR, it is ORI because we have taken the variable as ORI. Good job, Ayushman. Okay, so quickly tell me which one I should take over here. Which one is divisible by which one? Because these are your jobs. You have to recall in the examination. So you will tell me which one is divisible by which one. ORI modulo C. Yes, because we have taken the number is ORI and we cannot take num where num is 0. So that's why this side is ORI has to be divided with C now, because C will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, because of that reason. Now divisibility needs modulo and it has to be checked is equal to 0. That means if the remainder after dividing it with 2, 3, 4, if the remainder is 0, then it is divisible. If it is divisible, then I will change the flag. Now which one I am checking? I am checking the original one. Then which flag needs to be changed? Which flag needs to be changed? Modulo operator, Sahil, it is not division operator, modulo operator has to be used. Look, Anshita from 8th class given modulo operator. Pragjyoti of 9th class, modulo operator. Good. Ruturaj, Rajesh, Swastik. Yes, OF is equal to, it can be any number because this is my original flag. So I will say OF, original flag is equal to any number I can take. Next, this is I got regarding original number is prime or not. Like this, copy and paste it here. Instead of original number, I will check reverse number is prime number or not. So it should be reverse and it should be reverse. And it should be reverse. Job over. Now, which flag this one? This is reverse flag. After this, I will check if original flag is equals to -1 and reverse flag is equals to -1. If both are -1, I will display system.out.print. Which one is a prime number? ORI is a twisted prime number. Otherwise, ORI is not a twisted prime number. Yes, we can put anything. Good. So let's execute it and check it. I will enter a number. I will say 123. 123 is not a twisted prime number because 123 reverse is 321. So let's see why it is not prime number. We can check it like this. If both are, this is both are prime. So inside which if I will check if OF is equals to -1, then which one is prime? Original is prime. Else, what is else? Original is not prime. Now like this, it is not a part of your program, just I am showing you which one is prime, which one is not prime. So this is original is prime and original is not prime, not a prime number. Like this, if I will put condition over here for this, again I am repeating, this is not a part of your program, I am just showing you that how exactly you will come to know which one is prime and which one is not a prime. Don't write like this in your examination. This is REV, reverse is prime or not, reverse, and this is reverse. I am saying 123. I think where we got a problem, did I change somewhere? If it is true, try reverse. Okay, 123 not giving any output. We got RF is equal to 10. Did I delete it somewhere? Original is original flag and reverse flag. Both are -1. 123 is equals to -1 is reverse is this one. Fine. (123) is a prime number. So here original flag is the prime number is coming. I think by mistake I did some problem somewhere. Plus space plus reverse flag 1010, both are 10 because 123. Acha, it itself is not a prime number, so that's why it is not getting inside. 127 minus 1 0, both are not possible at the same time, so that's why it is coming like this. Can anybody give me an example of twisted prime? We have already taken one example of twisted prime. Let me see which one is twisted prime. We have taken 13 and 31, both are twisted prime. So let me execute that one. 13, here we are getting, I'm just removing this. 13 is a prime number. We have not taken print ln over here, so that's why this is happening. Print ln and print ln. Executing 13 is a prime number, 31 is also prime number, hence it is twisted prime. Though we have given AND operator over here, if both are prime then it is getting inside. But for 10th class we should give either one is prime, then we'll check it. So how you will display for 10th class, the homework is like this. How you can display, or I will show it to you. For that we have to change the code. We have to, for 10th class, now I'm not going to write the program for you because 9th class students are available. So first of all, for 10th class, your job is to get the reverse first. You will get the reverse, then we'll check if original is prime number. Like this, I'm doing it for you. That first of all, I will get the reverse, then I will check if the reverse is an prime number, then I will get inside. Otherwise, I will not get inside. Did you get 10th class? First of all, I will check original number is prime number or not. Like this. Look at this. I'm extracting this. I'm putting over here. I will say if original flag is equals to -1. If original is prime, then I will get inside. So your original flag will come above and reverse flag is equal to -1 will come above. So first of all, for 10th class, I will check this one is prime or not. If this is prime, then inside which I will get the reverse. After getting the reverse, I will check whether it is prime or not inside this. Then after this, here I will say if RF is prime, then twisted prime, because OF is already checked as an prime. And its else part will display it is not a prime number because original number is not a prime number. Here you will display it is a twisted prime because both original and reverse is a prime number. Else original number is prime number and reverse number is not a prime number. Hence it is not a twisted prime number. For 10th class, you have to write like this because it is not 10th class purely. So that's why I'm not showing the complete code for the 10th class. 9th class will get ambiguity out of it. So any doubt regarding this 9th class? Any doubt 9th class or 10th class regarding twisted prime? Okay, fine. So now we'll move to the slide again. Now the next one is pul prime. I think some problem is there. Yes, now you can get it a pul prime. Now your job is to go through the definition so that we'll do how we can change the existing program to get the new one. Quickly go through the definition. From the definition, we'll try to extract rest part of the thing. Quick. If you understood what are the necessary changes that I should do in my existing program to get the next one, so that I will think that yes, it is working. Otherwise, it is not working. If you design a new program for this, then it is useless. We can able to write same program and make small changes in this to get it. If a number is simultaneously palindromic as well as prime, then it is called pul prime. Now in case of twisted prime, reverse is prime, original is prime. Now what exactly it is saying, beta? If it is palindrome, for palindrome also we need reverse. That means my logic pul prime lies within the same program that we did earlier. Original program 313 palindromic, because its reverse is again 313 and 313 is prime. So hence it is pul prime. Original number is 127. It's not a palindromic. For 10th class, here you will stop. If it is not palindrome, I cannot say it is a pul prime. I don't need to check the prime anymore. But for 9th class, you will check prime. And it is not a pul prime because it is not palindromic, but it is prime. Hence, it is not a pul prime. It should be both. Next, original number is 212. Reverse is also 212. So it is palindromic. Look at this. It is palindromic, but it is not a prime because it is divisible by 2. So hence, it is also called not a prime number. I have given 3 examples to you. This is designed for 10th class, but program will be done for 9th class because few 10th class students are also available. So that's why by mistake I have given this one's thumbnail in the 10th class. So look at this. For 10th class, you have to display it is not a palindromic but prime. Hence it is not a pul prime. Like this, original number is 212. It is palindromic, but it is not prime. Hence it is not a pul prime. For 10th class, for 9th class, it is as it is. So next one is twin prime will go after this. So before this, any doubt regarding the theory? In that program, palindromic logic will be added at the same time prime number. Excellent. Sir, the reverse of the original number is required and it then will be checked with the palindromic. Excellent. That means 9th class student got the idea where to make the necessary changes. Good job. So we'll shift now towards the Java. Let's come back to our program. No change in accepting a number. What should I do first? Whether I should check whether it is a palindrome or prime. What should I do? Either one is possible. Anyone, sir. Good. Anyone I can do. Anvesha Dixit. Anyone. Okay. But which one is preferable? Most easiest one is palindrome. So get the reverse. Quickly tell me the steps for the reverse. Let me see whether you have remembered or not. Steps. Quickly tell me the steps of the reverse number so that I can move ahead. Pre-processing. Pre-processing, beta, pre-processing. we should first keep a backup of the number. Good, because I am taking a reverse. Good, Sai Suvankar. int ORI is equal to NUM. Good job. Because I am taking the reverse, that means I have to take a original one. Yes, next one. Given by the swastik. REV is equal to 0. Good. REV is equal to 0 because I need to get the reverse. Any other pre-processing? Now, preliminary condition is missing by everyone. Preliminary condition is, yes, good. Preliminary condition is given by Sai Suvankar. Rest of the candidate directly going for the formula. Directly going for the formula. While NUM is greater than 0, preliminary condition is required. After that, I will try to get the remainder. INT R is equal to NUM modulo 10 to get the remainder. Then get the reverse. REV is equal to REV into 10 plus R. This is to get the reverse. Then reduce the number. Num is equal to num divided by 10. This is to get the reverse of the number. Now in twisted prime, directly after this I was checking whether it is prime or not. But what I should do now? Are you getting my point what I am asking? In case of twisted prime, after this I was checking prime or not. But what should I do now here? In case of pulp prime, what should I do? The step is most vital rather than coding. Everyone I know very good in coding. Only we need the steps. Before examination, we should recall the steps. Rajesh, as I said that only emphasize on the steps. All the 9th class students, Sahil, Lakshmi, I don't know whoever has joined over here because Vincent students are having examination. Yes, num is equal to ORI. If reverse is equal to number, is it reverse is equal to NUM swastik? Reverse is equals to ORI equals to original number. So here, instead of prime number, I will check palindrome. For that, if reverse is equals to ORI, original, then it is the palindrome. If it is a palindrome, then I will check for the prime number. Now the prime number logic will start here. Now here, prime number. Here prime number logic. Here we are doing reverse logic. Reverse logic. Here we are checking palindrome. Got a 10th class? If possible, give remark statement like this. Not in enough spaces, enough places. Just like in 1 or 2 places, give a remark like this. 10th class, if possible, give 1 or more remark like this. Not enough. 2 or 3 is enough. Okay. Inside this, I will apply the prime number logic. Yes, already given by swastik. We'll go by the swastik for int x is equal to 2. But I think something is missing. Look at the pre-processing before coming for the prime number. Don't you think we have missed something? Especially 10th and 9th class. Something is missing. Something is missing. Check the pre-processing. Yes, already given by now. Sai Subankar, yes, flag is missing. Before this, I have to give the flag. int f is equal to -1. Okay, now if int x is equal to 2, x is less than, which one I need to check? I need to check the number. But after this, number is 0. So what should I use over here? I've given the question mark x plus plus. Here if which one modulo which one is equals to 0, then f is equal to what? Quickly, this is statement 1. Now you will tell me what is statement 1. This is for 10th class. I am doing statement 2 comma statement 3 because they are having examination. A question is coming like this, and this is statement 4. 10th class, fill the statements as you are getting questions like this. Original number, good. 10th class, just try this. You are getting questions like this. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. So try once like this. But do it as fast as possible. Not like this, Subhasmita, statement 1. Your answer will be like this, statement 1. Statement 1 is your ORI like this. Subhasmita, answer will be like this. Not 1 ORI, 2 ORI, not like this, Ruturaj. Statement, because the question is asking related to statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Your answer must be statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. So, statement 1 is your ORI. Statement 2 is also ORI, original number divisible by x. So that means statement 1 is ORI, statement 2 is ORI, statement 3 is x, statement 4 is x. Let me see how many of you have given the correct answer. Why REB? Sai Subhankar, statement 1, REB, why? Because this time we are checking pal prime. Statement 4, not x, we can take 10, 20, 50, anything. Anything we can take, Sai Subhankar, statement 4. But I am really surprised, Sai Subhankar, why REB you have taken for statement 1. Statement 1, I will check original number is prime number or not. This prime number and palindrome. Okay. After doing this, now I am removing these things. Now you tell me statement 1, what should I do after this? Statement 1. 1 is ORI, so stick. 2 is ORI modulo x. Statement 2 is not ORI modulo x, I think. Statement 2 is ORI. Statement 3 is x. So stick. Okay. What will be the statement 1 now? There is nothing but the question mark for 9th. 10th is statement 1. Quickly give your answer. Yes, I think I got. Sir, if the if condition is true, it means both reverse and original are same. So that we can take the reverse. Okay, agree with you. Because we are getting the reverse, both are same over here. So that's why we can take ORI and REV both, because both are same and it is palindrome. So what should be the statement? To check the flag value. Yes, that means if f is equals to -1, then it is prime number, as well as above we have checked it as palindrome. So I don't need to check palindrome anymore. So directly here I can say system dot out dot print. This is completely 10th class model I am giving, inside which here I will say ORI or REV, both we can take, is a pal prime number else system.ori is not a Pearl prime number. Why? Because it is palindrome. Look at this, I'm giving you /n, I'm giving, look at over here, I'm giving /n. Better I will give /n over here so that I will give the number over here. Here I will say what if it is false, that means it is not a prime number but palindrome. So that's why I will say not prime number but palindrome. Because of that reason it is not a Pearl prime. And can you tell me what it should be over here? This else part says it is not a palindrome at all. Look at this. It is not a palindrome at all. So it is not a Pearl prime. So we can give like this. Is not a Pearl prime. Not a palindrome number. But it is not purely 100% for the 10th. That's why it is related to the 9. Not purely. Purely 10th class will give not a palindrome and not a prime. Palindrome, not prime. All the possible combinations you have to give. 121. Sorry, 121. 121 is not a palindromic number. Is it clear? But also giving not a prime number, but palindrome number. Is it clear? Both are coming. 121 is not a Pearl prime number. Why? Because it's not a prime number but palindrome number. 121 is palindrome number but not a prime number. So next we'll give one more number where we can get the desired things, that is 127 can be, yes, 127 can be. 127 is not a Pearl prime number, not a palindromic number. Directly it is coming. Look at this. Not a palindromic number. This one. Now we'll give both, which is possible. Palindromic and prime. 317. 317. No. 313. We can give 313. 313 is a Pearl prime because it is a palindrome, it is a prime also. So we can give like this here /n, both palindrome and prime. So these are your options, how suitable you want to write your program. This is completely depend upon you, how much if condition you want to put, else condition you want to put to make your program perfect. If you want, but if you don't want, make it as simple as you can. As simple as you can. Any doubt related to this 9th class? Any doubt 9th class? Both 9th and 10th, any doubt regarding this? Okay, fine, good. So can we recap? In case of twisted prime, after getting the reverse, I was checking for prime. Original number. In case of twisted prime, checking for original and reverse is prime or not for twisted prime. Okay, conclusion I'm giving. But for Pearl prime, what I'm doing, I am checking, first I'm checking palindrome, then then original is prime or not. Okay, let's see the another one. What exactly the next part is saying. Can we able to do it the same or not? Now let's talk about twin prime. If two prime numbers having a difference of 2 between both of them, then it is called twin prime. For example, first number is 5, second number is 7. First number is 5, second number is 7. Both are prime and their difference is 2. Hence it is called twin prime. Hope I am clear to everyone. Let's see one more example. First number is 7, second number is 11. 7 is prime and 11 is prime, but their difference is 4. Hence it is not a twin prime. Okay, I am not giving solid logic to 9th class because in 10th class you will learn the sequence mechanism. Okay, there I will tell you the order and the mechanism where we can reduce the code using method we can apply. Here look at it. First number is 27, second number is 29. Difference is 2, but 29 is not a prime number. No. 27 is not a prime number. 9 into 3. 27 is divisible by 9. 27 is divisible by 3. So it is not a prime. But it is a prime. So hence it is not a twin prime. 10th class, those who want special how to design these kind of programs with appropriate meshes, I will tell you later on. Don't worry, 10th class, I will tell you later on. This is only for the 10th class examination purpose is done. So that's why I cannot waste my time on this platform. Theoretical part is okay. So we'll check the twin prime. I will check the first number. Then I will check the second number, whether both are prime or not. After that, I will check the difference. 3 things I have to check now. 3 things I need to check. So let's start. We'll check the first number and second number. Now we have to accept 2 numbers. Let me change the screen. Okay. Now we are in Java screen. We'll start. Yes, we are in Java screen. We'll take 2 numbers now. So that is, I will say first number and second number. I will take 2 number, Fn and Sn as 2 number. Though I am not reducing the number, enter first number versus enter second number. 2 numbers are accepted. Now both I need to check prime. So I will take 2 flags. First number flag is equals to -1, comma second number flag is equals to -1. Okay. Now I don't need reverse. Remove this. Simply remove this. I don't need. Now check first number is prime or not. So how to check? I don't need to do this. I don't need this flag. Look at this. I'm removing this. This code is written over here. 10th class, I think I have given a shortcut for this to you. Apply that one using method. 10th class, do it using method. Practice it using method. I will check first number and here it should be first number. So here I am checking first number is prime or not and your flag for first number. Any doubt regarding the for the first number is prime number or not? First part is first number is prime number or not? 10th class, don't do like this. You will do it using method. Because you are near about the board examination. So don't do like this. Do it using method. Okay, fine. First number is prime or not. I have checked like this. I will remove everything now. And here I will check second one. Second number is prime or not. So this should be second number. This should be second number. This should be second number flag. Look at this, how simple we did. Only we are repeating the prime number coding. 10th class, you will give a remark like this. This is not the process. Again, I am saying 10th class. This is not the process of twin prime for you. You will have different process because you will give different messages. Why it is not twin prime? Okay. So here I will check if. What should I check? Who can say? What should I check? What should I check? Any 9th class student, if you are having 0.5 doubt, don't hesitate, ask. Sir, but first we have to find which is greater than number. Not required, not required. We'll get the difference better. It is not asking between. Rajesh, it is not asking between two numbers. We don't need to check which one is bigger, which one is smaller. I will tell you, that is what they call speciality of PRS programming. We'll use ABS method. Yes, difference between them is 2. Yes, good. Nilima. May I know your original name? Nilima. Then Ishan says that yes, that is the perfect one. First of all, we'll check both are prime or not. Then we'll have a difference. Good, Ishan. So first we'll check if F and F. First flag is equals to -1 as well as second flag equals to -1 as well as and math.abs absolute value of the difference between the first number minus second number or second number minus first number, whatever you may take. I am taking absolute value is equals to 2. If it is, then now here I will say system.out.print. If all three conditions are possible, then your first number with a message AND and second number is twin prime, else first number and second number is not twin prime. First number is 12, second number is 13. 12 and 13 is not twin prime. But here it is not saying why it is not twin prime. Is it clear? But 10th class, if you want to good, Lakshmi, good. If you want to get good marks, then you should reflect the reason behind it. Okay. So it is 13 and 15, where it is not a twin prime because 13 is prime, but 15 is not prime. Okay. We'll take 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is twin prime because 5 is prime, 7 is prime, and difference is 2. As for Rajesh, we are saying 7 and 5. 7 and 5 is twin prime. Got it, Rajesh? Acha. Vanilla. Got it. Rajesh, understood? Why I have not checked, why I have not applied one more if condition? Rajesh, understood why I have not applied if condition? You know, I told you, if it is talking about two numbers, first of all, we need to check whether the first number is greater than the second number, then we can go. But here it is asking for the difference. So instead of putting an if condition, creating a program little bit lengthy, better that we'll use ABS function. That is why you are belongs to pairs programming. We should think in a different way. Sir, for 10th class, how we can do twin prime number? Subhasmita, we can apply method. Let me do 9th class. If you don't mind, can I take few of your times for the 10th class? Because 9th class is having examination. 9th class, because you said that you are having Armstrong number and Disarium number also. So if you don't mind, one of your 10th class sister is asking how to do the same program for the 10th class. Can I? Otherwise, I will start with Armstrong number. Quickly give a confirmation, 9th class. Yes, sir, sure, okay. So here we'll take a method, Boolean is prime, int no, inside which I will apply the prime number logic, simply this one. I'm just removing this and putting it over here. And here I'm saying if it is divisible, return false. Simply I am saying return false. Okay. And here it should be no. And here it should be no. So this is simply I'm creating a method whose return type is Boolean. Method name is prime, and it is taking a parameter that is number, inside which I'm just checking whether it is prime number or not. If I will come out of the loop, I will say return true. Now I think this much is taught to you 10th class. Did you got this one? 10th class, did you got this one? Sir, we too have method. But you don't apply this. Sahil, don't apply this in your immediate examination. Sahil Kosik, don't apply this in your immediate examination. Your school teacher will not give you marks because you don't know how to explain this. 9th class, don't apply this. 9th Joseph and Deepak, don't apply this. Okay, got it. So inside which I have accepted a 2 number. I don't need any more flag. Here inside this, simply I will say if I will call this one. I need to create an object of this class. There is programming. PP is equals to new. Here is programming. Then inside this I will say PP dot is prime. Is prime. I think I have taken capital. First number. Caps lock on हो गया. First number. PP. Caps lock on हो गया था मेरा. PP is prime. First number is equals to -1 और नहीं चाहिए. That means it is true. And here also PP dot is prime. I will apply second number is prime. Math dot abs, first number minus second number is equal to 2. Is equals to new. Okay, no more problem is there. Let's execute it. 9 11 नहीं होगा, 7 9 नहीं होगा, 11 13 हो जाएगा. 11 13 is a twin prime. We can give 13 11 also. 13 11 also. 13 11 is a twin prime. Subhasmita understood how much code we have reduced. Look at this. How much code we have reduced. Condition, everything. Like this, we can reduce the code. Any program, ISBN number, twisted prime, magic number, everything we can reduce with the help of method. That is the difference what I am doing before your examination. Before your board and pre-board, we should reduce the code like this. Yes, understood. Got it. Okay. Okay, so we'll move towards the next part, Armstrong number. 9th class, again I'm repeating, don't apply it in your examination. Next is your Armstrong number as I promised. So let me change the screen for you. We'll come back to the slide. Armstrong number, if the sum of each digit to the power raised to the power number of digits which is equal to the number itself. That means, suppose I have taken a number 1253. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. I think first of all we have taken this one. Okay. And number of digits is 4. So that's why it is the wrong one. 371 it should be. Let me change. This is 371. 371. This is 3 digit. ये कॉपी पेस्ट का प्रॉब्लम है. कॉपी पेस्ट का प्रॉब्लम ये है. 371. Yes, 1634. Okay, now it is okay. Number is 371. Number of digits is 3. So that's why 3 to the power 3, 7 to the power 3, 1 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27. 7 to the power 3 is 343. 1 to the power 3 is 1. Adding it, 3 plus 1 is 4. Or we can say 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 1, carry 1. Carry 1 is added with 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So that's why this is 7. And we have 3 over here. So this is 3. So this becomes your 371. Where original number and the sum is same. So that's why it is an Armstrong number. Let's take one more example. So why I'm saying number of digits, that I will prove over here. If in the question it is saying that write a program to accept a 3-digit number and check whether it is a prime number, Armstrong number or not. So in all the cases your 3 must be constant. But here if the number is not 3-digit number, then we cannot take power 3. It must be power 4. Look at this how. Number of digit is 4. 1 to the power 4. 6 to the power 4 because 1 is a digit. 6 is a digit. 3 to the power 4. 3 is a digit. 4 to the power 4. 4 is a digit. 1 to the power 4 is 1. 6 to the power 4 is 1296. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 4 to the power 4 is 256. And here sum we got 1634, which is equivalent to your original number. But do you think that if I will apply to the power 3 over here, so it will display it is not a Armstrong number. So that's why it will be wrong. So that's why I am saying it is to the power number of digits. Theoretical part understood? Sir, if the question is not specifying to use the method, then how to write? No, it is not mandatory that question will say. It is our own choice. Using method, it is saying write a program to check whether it is a twisted prime or not. Is it saying that don't use the method? Is it saying that use while loop? Is it saying that use for loop? No, it is our choice, beta. It is our choice. We have taken the flexibility of the method to do this. No problem, Anirudh. We can use it. Even if it is not especially saying use method, we can do this, no problem. Okay. So if you have understood the part of Armstrong number, then I can move. I can move towards the next part. We'll do the program. Can we go for the program Armstrong number? Understood the theoretical part? Quickly understood the theory so that we can go for program. Based on Armstrong number, we'll design Disarium number. Yes, understood. Okay. Now process. Process. Tell me the process. Tell me the process of Armstrong number. What should I do first? That is our main motto. What should I do first? Scanner class input a number up to this. Enter a number instead of a number. It should be in first number. It should be enter a number. Yes. What should be my first job? First we have to get number of digits. Okay. Accept a number. Is it okay? Up to this it is common. No change in this. Then I will check number of digits of a given number. Enter a number. Okay. Count we have to take. Yes. Pre-processing is counter. INT C is equal to 0. But one more thing is missing, I think, Subhasmita. Counter in addition to that. Number 2 input. Digit extraction. No, Anirudh. Pre-processing is missing. 10th class. Don't do like this. 10th class. Pre-processing. 10th class. For 9th class it is okay. Still we have 1 year. Look. 8th class Anshita is trying. Backup of a number. Yes, good. Because I want to count number of digits. Number will become 0. So I will say NUM is equals to first number. And I will count how many digits are there. So let's start. While number is greater than 0, then I will say counter plus plus, and I will say number divided is equals to 10. This will give me number of digits of a given number. 9th class understood number of digits, how to calculate number of digits? Or I will explain little bit more. Already we have done 9th class. Just I am taking your confirmation. Did you got how to get number of digits, or I will explain little bit more. Count number of digits. As I said that digit is not required. Extracting digit is not required. Simply check the number, increase the counter, reduce the number. Check the number, increase the counter, reduce the number. Check the number, increase the counter, reduce the number. 9th class confirmation. Yes, understood. Good. After getting number of digits, I will calculate sum and its power. As I said that if the number is 125, so 1 to the power number of digits, that is 3, divided with 2 to the power number of digits. So pow function we have to use and sum is required. So again pre-processing variables. Pre-processing variables. What are the variables that I need now? Do I need sum? If I need sum, what is the data type of the sum? Quick, I'm getting late, beta. I'm having one more class. No, Subhasmita, not INT. Okay, your choice. Fn is equal to NUM. Good. The first job is the number is 0 now. And I have to check the original number. So that's why I will take a backup again. So I will say Fn is equals to NUM. There you are doing mistake, Subhasmita. Got it, Subhasmita? Okay. Now after this, I need to calculate the sum. No problem, Subhasmita. If you have taken INT, no problem. You can explicit typecast it inside this. Okay. So let's start again. If you are taking double sum is equals to 0.0. Okay. Got it. Next, I will extract the digit while number is greater than 0. I will extract a digit. I will make a sum. So I will say INT remainder is equal to number modulo 10. I will got the digit. After that, I will calculate the power. So I will say double power is equal to, yes, how to calculate the power? Digit to the power number of digits. So math dot power. Which one is digit? R is a digit. To the power number of digits is your C. If you are getting confused, so I am making it this one as number of digits. I am making this one number of digits. Okay, number of digits. Number of digits. Now we got the power. Then sum. That's why sum is equals to sum plus power. So this will give me the sum. Then after this part understood? Fn is equal to 0 after calculating the digits. Good. Sir, why again Fn is equal to NUM? We have taken num is equal to Fn num. At the end, we have to check Subhasmita. Original number is equals to the sum of the each digit to the power number of digits. And inside this, after coming out of this, my Fn is 0. Now, if I will do sum of each digit to the power number of digit, again I will extract the digit. If I will use NUM will become 0, Fn is 0. Then how you will compare? Understood, Subhasmita? 9th class, this part understood? Ninth class, this part you have understood? How we have calculated each digit to the power number of digit. Here, old mechanism, I'm checking number is greater than 0. Here I'm extracting a digit. And here I'm saying, suppose the number is 123. Now R is your 3. After this, R is equals to 3. And here, number of digit is 3. So it is 3 to the power 3. Here it is 3 to the power 3. Now 27 is added. Power is 27 is added with sum. Though written type of math.power is double, I am storing it in double. and I have taken sum as double. We can take integer also. We can take integer also. Okay, got it? After calculating the sum, here I will check if what should be compared with what. Yes, question is in front of you. What should be? Sir, why data type of sum cannot be integer? I think Sai Subankar already I told Subhasmita that we can take int, we can take double also. Math.power return type is double. I don't want to make typecasting, so that's why I have taken double. If you want to take int, you will take typecasting over here. Explicit typecasting over here. Okay. Respond me. What has to be compared with what? What has to be compared with what? Quickly. Yes, sir, I got it. Okay. My question is that dash is needs to be compared with dash, because here I am getting sum of each digit to the power number of digits, and it says that if the original number is equal to sum of the digit to the power number of digit, then it is called a Armstrong number. According to that, what should be the comparison? Sum is equal to num. Good. Sum is equals to num. Why not fn? Because fn is 0. Original number is lies with num. So I will display system dot out dot print. Which one is an Armstrong number? NUM is a Armstrong number, else NUM is not a Armstrong number. Semicolon is missing in both the statements. Okay, let's execute. 153. I think I have forgotten to reduce the number. Fn divided is equals to 10. 135. 135 is not an Armstrong number, but 153 is an Armstrong number. 153 is an Armstrong number. And we can apply the 4-digit number, that is 1634. 1634. 1634 is an Armstrong number. But if instead of this, I will always say number of digits, instead of all this, I will always say 3. So if I will execute 1634, 1634 is not an Armstrong number, it will display. Because your number of digits is 4. You will calculate with 3, it will not work. Number of digits. Now, how to reduce the code? Who can say how we can reduce the code? From where we can reduce the code? Reduce the code. Instead of this whole 9th class don't apply. Again I am saying 9th class don't apply this one. 9th class do not apply this. Instead of this, use for loop for yes, number of digit nd is equal to 0, which is already taken over here. I cannot take this one local. I cannot take this one local because number of digit is required after this. So it should be outside the for loop. 10th class, if you are applying the shortcut, be careful. So here int nd, where I will apply semicolon simple because initialization is not required. Then condition fn is greater than 0, then semicolon, then reduce the number. Fn divide is equals to 10. Then here simply say do nothing. Do nothing. Okay, if you want to see whether it is calculating number of digits or not, displaying system.out.print number of digits is equals to plus nd. But again I am saying take it outside, don't take it inside the for loop, because we need to use it over here. 12, number of digits is 2, print ln will apply print ln. So I have forgotten to increase the number of digits counter, nd plus plus, forgotten. 12, number of digits is 2, 125, number of digit is 3, 1236, number of digit is 4. So we can reduce the code like this. If you want, you can do like this, comma nd plus plus, and we can remove this part also, but you are bound to give this one. This is called do nothing. Like this you can give a remark, 10th class, like this you can give a remark, do nothing statement, if you are putting number of digits over here. But if you will not put the semicolon, it is then error. Look at this, if I am not putting semicolon, it will generate an error over here. Got it? It has to be a statement, it must have a statement. Okay, so number of digits is over. Now inside this I can remove this particular part and I can directly apply this number of digits. Instead of r, I can apply number of digits to the power nd. Okay, 135 is not an Armstrong number, as I said. 153 is an Armstrong number. Look at this, still it is working. Now we can remove this PO also by taking this complete one. Instead of PO, I can apply the complete one. I can remove this one also and apply sorted operator. 153 is an Armstrong number. Okay. As Sai Chuvankar was asking, can we take INT? Yes, we can take INT. But here it will generate an error because this is sum is equal to 0. Here it will generate an error because integer cannot store double. This part is giving double. So that's why explicit typecasting is required over here. You have to typecast it with INT. Is the Armstrong number. Hope I am clear to everyone. Ninth class, don't apply these kind of things in your program at this moment. Repeatedly I am saying ninth class, don't apply because you have not understood how to explain this if your teacher will deduct the mark. 10th class, they understood how to explain this. Okay, so one more class I am having. So good night to all of you. 10th class can apply. 10th class can apply, 9th class do not apply.